here we are again. Kind of like we said in the last one, right? Coming to the year end. Exciting times. We always like to finish strong. We run our Black Friday, Saturday, Cyber Monday sale. Killed it this year. We beat last year by a little bit, which is a huge blessing. So thank you for all of those who participated. However, as we move here into the end of December, really beginning, middle, and end, we are trying to move inventory and clear out our warehouse as much as possible, especially stuff that has been sitting around or we have excess of. We're trying to move it. So people always ask.
Well, you might explain to people why we're trying to move it and what it means to us and why we're willing to maybe make a deal or a special exemption on something.
We want your money. No. Obviously, cash flow purposes and also we just don't like to have old inventory sticking around, right? We want to clear it out and make room for the new stuff.
We want to turn that product. It helps us.
We want the new stuff to show up fresh. And people always ask, when is the best time to buy a safe, right? Obviously, our answer is anytime. Anytime's the best time to buy a safe. But no, really, there are some select times throughout the year that you can get deals on stuff. But really, we always have a deal.
You always have something, but I would say this time is unique because you have, one, it's the holiday seasons. Most of the manufacturers lean into it with some type of offer.
Yep.
Even though a lot of it's geared towards Black Friday, you will have stock that doesn't sell, that you can still get that deal. And just us trying to clear out get that turn on that inventory, which helps us.
We got a couple of 2024 models. We have, a couple models that we just have 3 or 4 of that we want to move through. And then, something really unique is our pre-owned selection, which is constantly getting updated. And we buy, I don't know if I want to say hundreds, but dozens and dozens of pre-owned safes every year. We've got stuff like from every price point. I mean, there's stuff back there that's $200-$300, but then we've got stuff that normally is $10,000 that we're going to sell for $5,000 or $6,000.
Man, I feel like this year, the past couple of years especially, if we're not in the hundreds, we're over 100.
Yeah, I sold myself short. That's not normal for me.
Because when you say dozens and dozens, some might think in 3 or 4 dozens, but it's substantially more than that.
It probably is over 100. Yeah. I'm just trying to stay humble for my little brother Riley. Pre-owned safes. If you're looking for a deal on a high-end safe, I can think of 3 right now, and we're gonna send out an email newsletter and do some videos on our social media feeds and get them on our website. But if you're listening to this podcast, you're looking for a deal. I mean,
I think right now, if you want a heavy safe for precious metals, ammunition, we have a unique amount of TL15, TL30 safes right now.
Yeah, absolutely. If you're a business owner or a homeowner that's got precious metals, like you said, we've got safes that normally would sell for, over $5,000 that we're going to sell for $1,000, right?
Yeah.
And then we also have,
I think some maybe cheaper than that.
Yeah. We also have some vault doors we're trying to move. We've got like 2 or 3 that, we brought in for stock, and for whatever reason, if it's not the right swing or not the right hinge side or color. So we got 2 or 3 doors that, you're going to save $2 or $3,000 on those.
Yeah. And a lot of times, it's not like the car industry to where there's a huge difference between, and this is, but a lot of industries, you'll have a big difference between the last year's model and the current model.
Right.
And for the most part, the safe industry isn't like that. Change comes slow. So a lot of times there's very little, if any, difference between a 2024 model and a 2025 model.
Absolutely. Yeah. Great ammo solutions, right? People always come in and look for ammo safes. We have a few new options that are specifically built for ammo, but pre-owned safes sometimes are a great option. You can actually get something with a real lock on it.
Metal shelves, hold a ton of weight.
Something with a plate door, something better. And then we also have some pre-owned file cabinets as well. These are cabinets that are $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, brand new.
I was looking at one of the cabinets we have, and it's, through FireKing, and the new ones are closer to $7,000.
Yeah.
And yeah, this is, stuff we're selling for $1,500 or less.
Yeah. $1,000.
Yeah.
$1,000 delivered on a Fire King. We've got, just a little bit of everything. So year-end clearance now through the end of the year. Another thing, come in and let's make a deal. Like, this is the time of year that we're motivated to make deals on new stuff too. Like, if there's especially higher end stuff, if somebody wants to come in, this is a great purchase for business owners that need to spend some money before the end of the year. If their accountants tell them, hey, you need to spend some money or you're going to get taxed.
Yeah.
Luckily, there's no tax on gun safes in Washington State. So you can come in here, spend some coin, and write it off as well. So we always...
And we have the stock for it, Commercial safes can be really, or TL rated safes can be really popular towards the end of the year. You can come in and buy one, but we can actually deliver it because we have the stock for it. We're not 2 or 3 months out like most places.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we'd like to get it delivered before the end of the year, but that's another unique thing about Northwest Safe is, come in and put some money down. If we got to hold on to it for a little bit, we're willing to work with you. But right now, we're trying to get stuff delivered by the end of the year, if at all possible. And those delivery dates are filling up pretty quick. Our calendar is pretty full.
Yeah.
Which is great, but there's still a couple. We'll make it happen.
Still some time.
We'll make it happen. If we got to send you out on deliveries, and if I got to go out and help, so be it. All hands on deck here towards the end of the year. Besides a couple of, hunting trips, and you're going to go help our friends in Bozeman too. So, whether you're in Western Washington, Eastern Washington, we got our location in Spokane Valley. If you're in Montana, we've got our Bozeman location. But we ship safes all over the country too, especially commercial stuff. So no matter where you're at in the country, listening and watching, if you find a safe that piques your interest, give us a call. Right? We always tell people, call us. That's the best way to see what kind of deal we can make, and we'll get it shipped to an industry partner and get it professionally delivered. So, year-end clearance. Let's make a deal. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.